Alright, Jessica's all dolled up for me.
Got my hair did, dry bar, at the new Miracle Mile location, which is really convenient.
I'm on my 6th beer. Alright, 3rd beer. Well, it equals 6 because they're 24.
Yeah.
And an espresso martini.
We're gonna eat lunch.
In my
At
defense,
Ocean
she
Prime.
left me
I
unsupervised.
did.
So, Planet Hollywood was like 1,000,000 degrees.
We stopped at Garrett's Popcorn. I always like to get some cheese popcorn.
Apparently, I have a very recognizable face. But anyway, so we're headed over to Ocean Prime for lunch now. So we'll catch up with you guys there.
Happy birthday!
So we just walked in and we got a little present here. Some macaroons.
And a card.
I'll open that. Alright, we just got dropped off at Flamingo.
Yes.
Working our way over to Horseshoe.
And then all red.
Yeah, all red. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
So we had brunch at Ocean Prime.
It was really
Very good. Very good.
Great service.
We did the patio. It's a little overcast today, but it was pretty nice out there. Food was great. Service was outstanding. So after that, we just headed back to the room and took a quick power nap.
Well, nap.
So yeah, now we're off to Old Red. We're having a great time. All right, we're just freshened up at the room. We're gonna head to dinner.
High stakes at Rio.
Rio.
We haven't been there in years. So
Last time we were at Rio, I got taken like biggest vacation movie on the blackjack table.
Yeah.
Like sat down with $50 and the guy was laughed at me. No joke. So yeah, like literally like 5 minutes. But
we had a good time at Old Red.
Old Red was great. Amada,
Shout out
still
to
the
Amada.
best bartender
Yeah, the
in
best
Vegas.
bartender.
Hopefully we can catch up with her again Friday.
Good band. I can't remember their name. They were from Clark County.
Yeah.
But they were good.
Yeah.
It was a good time. So
Fantastic.
looking
So
forward to dinner.
we're gonna catch up with you guys at Rio. High stakes.
Wonder.
Wow.
One of our favorite.
I mean, first off, look at this view.
Service was phenomenal.
Food was outstanding.
Yes.
I think I gotta go lay down for a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm so full.
We're a little stuffed,
But man, so dang good.
Yeah. Worth the
It's,
trip over here.
yeah, it's definitely worth it. I mean, it was what, 5-minute trip over. So definitely come check it out. So we'll catch up with you guys after this somewhere along the way. We're in it. 33 games.
Invaders attack from the planet
We want our cows back. Glass. Ah.
We want our cows back!
Free trigger. Come on, Rufus. Really? Don't dead spin me. Free trigger. Oh, he'll be good. Or not. There we go. All right, we'll be back. All right, second spin. Dancing drum, big machine. Let's go, Minnie. $10. Woo! We won the mini. Who's shocked? Nobody is. Okay. I'd like the record to show I told Jessica she was going to get the bonus on this. She was ready to walk away, and I said, no, no, no.
One of those chasers. This is the Cash Express legend.
The minor is available, which is only 50.
Spent.
So then what?
Is that it?
That was it?
I guess that's it.
Oh. Well, I'm glad we put that $1,500 in here to get 14. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't put that much in. So it was this little bonus thing that went across.
Each of these adds
So-
to it. So basically,
Not worth chasing.
$30 in and 16.
Worth chasing?
So, no.
Not worth chasing.
No. This is magnificent. Venus. Kind of a lot going on here, but it's not as much as you think it would be. There's some wells. Last one. It'd be more, but $13.85. Okay. All right, let's do a backup. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm on some more money and got a bonus. First one.
Cool. Graham crackers, that's my favorite.
There's a lot happening here. I'm not even sure. It's kind of fun. Okay.
Toast and cinnamon. Oh yeah, better than honey.
Yo, dude. Yo, bro. Munchies incoming.
Not sure what this means.
Gnarly, dude. Love it, bro.
Hey, I got you covered.
Okay, last spin.
Okay, here you go.
Love it, man.
You're so sweet.
Hey, I'm starving. Cool.
Cut a mini. Nice.
Oh,
Well, that was fun. That was a fun bonus. Let's do a backup. There we have it. Nice.
Went to the high limit room. We got a first spin bonus. We're on Phoenix Cash. Get that birthday grand for 112,000, and we'll fucking go to bed.
We'll never come back.
4 more to go. One more.
Come on.
Okay.
Pretty darn good.
All right, give it a back up. Okay, we'll be back. All right, we're leaving Cosmo. My eyes are dry.
I know.
The birthday shenanigans are coming to an end.
It's around 11. That's part right.
Yeah. Thank you, Cosmo High Limit Room, for giving us a little bit back. So, with that, that's where today's video is probably going to end, because we're almost back to our hotel at Madara, and we're tired. So,
Good night.
we'll see you tomorrow.